If you want to make money online in 2026, learning how to use artificial intelligence can give you a big advantage. Right now, AI tools are helping ordinary people start online businesses, create digital products, and build passive income streams without needing advanced skills. The best part is that you do not need to be a programmer, and you do not need expensive equipment. With the right method, you can start using AI step by step and slowly build online income. In this video, I will show you exactly how beginners can make money with AI step by step. This is not a get-rich-quick method. This is a simple process that anyone can follow if they stay consistent. Let's start with step 1. Step 1 is choosing one way to make money with AI. Many beginners make a mistake by trying too many things at the same time. They try YouTube, freelancing, digital products, trading, and many other ideas all at once. This usually leads to confusion and no results. Instead, choose one method and focus on it. There are many ways to make money with AI. You can create digital products, start a YouTube channel, offer freelance services, design templates, or build online content. The best method for beginners is the one that is simple and repeatable. Once you choose one method, move to step 2. Step 2 is learning one AI tool. You do not need to learn every AI tool on the internet. Start with one tool and understand how it works. For example, you can start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you write content, generate ideas, and create scripts. Many people use ChatGPT to create ebooks, blog posts, and online courses. You can also start with Canva if you want to create designs. Or you can start with video tools if you want to make YouTube videos. The goal is to become comfortable with one tool first. After that, you can add more tools later. Step 3 is creating something you can sell or use. AI becomes powerful when you use it to create something useful. For example, you can create an ebook, a checklist, a template, or a video. You can also create social media content or YouTube videos. When you create something valuable, you can turn it into income. Many people fail because they keep learning but never create anything. Do not stay in learning mode forever. Use the tool and build something. Step 4 is choosing where to make money. After you create something, you need a place where people can see it. There are many platforms where you can make money online. You can sell digital products on marketplaces. You can upload videos on YouTube. You can offer services on freelance websites. You can post content on social media. You do not need to use all platforms. Choose one platform and focus on growing there. Consistency is more important than trying everything. Step 5 is using AI to save time. One of the biggest advantages of AI is speed. Things that used to take hours can now take minutes. You can write faster, design faster, and create videos faster. This means you can produce more content. And the more content you produce, the more chances you have to make money. Many successful creators use AI to help them work faster. They do not do everything manually. They use AI as a tool. Step 6 is staying consistent. This is the step most people ignore. They try for 1 week, then they stop. Making money online usually takes time. You may need to post many videos before one gets views. You may need to create many products before one sells. This is normal. People who stay consistent are the ones who succeed. I can help you move faster, but you still need patience. Step 7 is improving step by step. Do not expect everything to work perfectly in the beginning. Your first video may not get views. Your first product may not sell. Your first design may not look perfect. This is part of the process. Every time you create something, you learn. Every time you learn, you get better. Over time, your results improve. The people who make money online are not always the smartest. They are the ones who keep going. Step 8 is building passive income. Passive income means you create something once, and it keeps working for you. For example, a YouTube video can get views for months. A digital product can sell many times. A template can be downloaded again and again. AI makes it easier to create these types of products. Instead of working for money once, you build something that can keep earning. This is why many people are learning AI now. They want to build income that does not depend on one job. Step 9 is thinking long-term. Do not look at AI as a quick trick. Look at it as a skill. The people who learn how to use AI today will have an advantage in the future. Businesses are using AI. Creators are using AI. Students are using AI. Learning how to use these tools now can help you in many ways. You can use AI to start a side hustle. You can use AI to grow a business. You can use AI to create online income. The important thing is to start. Step 10 is taking action. Watching videos is good, but action is what brings results. Choose one idea. Choose one tool. Create one project. Upload one video. Design one product. Start small, but start today. If you keep moving step by step, you can build something real. If you want more videos about AI tools, passive income, and online business, make sure you subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we talk about simple ways to make money online using modern tools. In the next video, I will show you more ways beginners are using AI to create income. See you in the next video.